Dear friends, in today's video, we are going to understand about the hardness of water. So first question comes to our mind that what is hardness? Hardness is the property of water which prevent leather formation with soap. Now, second question comes to our mind that what is the main cause of hardness? Why hard water does not form leather with soap? So, the main cause of hardness is the presence of calcium and magnesium and other heavy metal salts in water, such as calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, and magnesium sulfate. So, in all, we can say that due to the presence of various types of calcium and magnesium salts and other heavy metal salts like iron and aluminium, the water is called the hard water. So we can say we can divide the water in two categories basically due to the presence of the salt, the hard water, and second one is the soft water. When we mix water with the soap, the hard water does not form lather with soap. It forms white scum when soap is added to it. Like this, when soap is added in water, it forms the white scum. While when soap is mixed with the with the soft water, it forms lather with the soap. So clearly we can see that in soft water, soap easily forms lather, while in the hard water, there is no formation of lather. Instead of the lather formation, it forms the white scum. Secondly, we know that hard water contains high amount of calcium and magnesium salt. While in the soft water, calcium and magnesium salts are very less present or negligibly present. In the soft water, the sodium salts are also present. The hard water often has the characteristic taste, while in the soft water is pleasant in the taste. So we can say there are the various differences of hard water and soft water. So what are the three major differences in hard water and soft water? Firstly, the hard water forms scum with the soap. It does not form lather with the soap, while the soft water forms lather with the soap. Secondly, the hard water contains large amount of calcium and magnesium salt in it, while the soft water does not contain such high amount of calcium or magnesium salt. It may contain the sodium salts, while the hard water has the characteristic taste, while the soft water is the pleasant in taste. So these are the major differences of soft water and the hard water. I hope now you are able to understand the differences between the hard water and the soft water. So now coming towards the next part, that is why hard water does not form lather with the soap. The hard water does not form lather with soap due to the presence of dissolved calcium and magnesium ions in it. These ions react with the soap to form an insoluble precipitate called scum. This scum interferes with the soap's ability to form the leather. So basically what is soap? Soap is the sodium salt of higher fatty acids, such as here we are taking the example of stearic acid. So here the soap is the sodium stearate when we mix the soap in the hard water. So this hard water contains calcium and magnesium salts in it. So when we mix the soap in the hard water which contains calcium and magnesium salt. So these calcium and magnesium salt reacts with the soap. These calcium and magnesium salts reacts with the sodium stearate and forms the calcium stearate, that is the white scum. So now we are looking that the soap is not available for the leather formation. Why? Because the calcium or magnesium ion present in the hard water consumes the soap. So soap is not available for the leather formation. Leather, the soap solution will only form leather when all the dissolved calcium and magnesium ions present in the hard water has reacted completely. That is why sometimes the hardness is also called the soap consuming property of water. So I hope now you are able to understand about the main cause of the hardness as well as the cause why hardness does not form, hard water does not form leather with the soap. Now, learning check about the today's video. Here is one small question. Just pause your video and think about this question. Rihanna lives in a region of hard water. She bought new water heater and after few months she observed that the water heater consumes more electricity and its efficiency also decreases after some time. So on the basis of the today's learning, what could be the possible reason for this? Think for a while. Yes, you are right. As Rihanna lives in a hard water region, so when water is heated in the heater, the calcium and magnesium salt present in the hard water get deposited on the heating element of the heater. So the lime scale built up on the heating element of her water heater, which leads to the higher electricity bill. So this is the common heating element in the water heater. When it continuously uses in the hard water region, the calcium and magnesium salt get deposited on the heating element like this. And this cause decrease in the efficiency of water heater as well as increase in the electricity bill. So that's all for the today's video. Thank you. Be happy and keep smiling.